How to read box plots? Is it important? I receive these questions a lot. Basically, box plot reveals a lot of inconsistency in the data. If it exists, they can show you hidden information inside your data. They can give you a lot of insights that you cannot reveal them or show them in other visuals. Let me show you 3 real-world examples regarding this topic. Let's start with the customer satisfaction by region. Okay, here we have in this chart we have the customer satisfaction by region. In this one have 3 regions. Okay, and we have different satisfaction ranges. Let's read this box plots. Okay, the first one, as you can see, tight and high box, meaning that the average or the minimum and the maximum of the rating are from 4 to 5. Okay, and you have one outlier here which is extremely high, meaning that the scores is very high in this outlier. So basically we can say the customer are consistently happy. Okay, the second one is region B, which is the second region. You can find it wide. The minimum value is 1 or below 1 and the maximum value is 5. No outliers. You can find, you can read from this chart that some of them are liking the or some of them are satisfied and some of them are not. Okay. The third one, which is very interesting, lot of outliers, extremely high, and lot of other outliers which is extremely awful. You can find here rating with 1, lot of outliers. Okay, so I think this one is a red flag for you. You need to take a look at this category, what is happening inside this region, because the ratings are inconsistent. Okay, that's how you can read box plot from the data. See you later. Thanks.